Hey, this is Mike from StyleFlip. Today I just want to quickly showcase the Akai MPC-60 customizable skins. Create your own skins at styleflip.com. This is a skin for the Akai MPC-60. Customize it any way you want. We can put back the manufacturer default text right back on over your skin. We also have pre-mades for this, designed like the original. The skin's removable, will not damage the unit, protects it from scratches, comes off clean. This is the Akai MPC-60 original. Unfortunately, we don't have the full unit. We were just sent the casing, but this is what the unit will look like when it's on. That right there is pre-existing damage to the case. Has nothing to do with the skin.